How to upgrade to Canva Pro. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you make the switch. To get started, head over to the Canva homepage. On the left side panel, you'll see an option that says Try Canva Pro. Click on that to begin the upgrade process. If you're using the Canva mobile app, just tap on Pro located at the bottom of your screen. Next, you'll be asked to choose your trial or subscription plan. If you're eligible, you can start with a free trial. You'll see options like Start My Free Trial for individuals or I prefer a team trial if you're looking to create a team workspace. You'll also need to pick a payment plan, monthly or yearly, depending on what works best for you. The pricing will vary based on your region. Once you've selected a plan, it's time to enter your payment details. Choose your preferred payment method, fill in your info, and continue to the next step. Finally, click Next and confirm your subscription. Once that's done, Canva Pro or Canva Teams will be activated right away, no waiting required. After upgrading, you'll instantly get access to all the premium features across both desktop and mobile platforms. From premium templates to powerful AI tools, everything will be at your fingertips.